Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, look at your laptop sides for a 15-pin VGA port or an adapter output. If you do not see a VGA socket, use a digital to analog adapter, such as USB-C to VGA or HDMI to VGA. Check the monitor or projector for a VGA input and an available cable before starting. Power off both laptop and display to avoid signal issues or accidental damage. Gather a VGA cable with intact screws and pins to ensure a secure mechanical connection. Attach one end of the VGA cable to the laptop VGA port or adapter and tighten the screws gently for a secure connection. Plug the other end into the monitor or projector and tighten those screws as well. Power on the external display first, then power on your laptop to help the signal initialize correctly. Open your operating system display settings to choose mirror or extend modes and set resolution to the best available, such as 1920x1080 or a compatible value for the display. If you see no signal, reset the cable and confirm the adapter has any required power. Try a different input or reboot the laptop while the display remains powered on. Reduce resolution or refresh rate if the image appears blurry or unstable, and test settings like 60Hz as a baseline. Inspect the VGA pins for damage and replace cables if bent or missing. Prefer a short, high-quality VGA cable and avoid runs longer than 5 meters to maintain image quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.